Namaste everybody, welcome back to YogaCandi. I'm Candice and today it's a very short video, only about 4 minutes long, showing you all how to get into crow pose, also known as crane. If you have a couple of yoga blocks handy, something like this, then just pop that beside your yoga mat today. If this is something you don't have, grab a couple of books and just stack them on top of each other. This will do the trick. All it is to practice lifting one foot up, feeling through the weight in our arms. Don't feel pressure today. If you don't manage to come into the full pose, that's fine. This is something that you've just got to keep practicing. One day you'll finally get it and it feels amazing when you do. So hop into something comfortable, make sure your hair's out of the way, and I'll meet you over on the mat. Okay, so grab your block, place it on the middle of your mat. Come up onto that block, bend down and place your hands on the floor about shoulder width apart. Just feel it out for a moment, and when you're ready, get your legs as high up into your armpits as possible. Kind of squeeze your inner thighs together, and when you're ready, maybe lift one foot off of that block. Just feel it out, feel the balance. Take a little breather. You might notice that even doing this is a bit tough on the shoulders, especially when you haven't built that strength. Try it one more time, this time lifting the other leg up. Feel it out for a moment, maybe lean a little bit more forward. Come back up and give your hands a shake out. It can be quite a lot of pressure on the palms to start with. Alright, let's try that one more time. This time perhaps try and take both feet off of the block. If that's a little bit too scary for you today, that's absolutely fine. Stay wherever you are, even just play with taking one foot. There's no hurry with this pose. And come back down. Don't worry if you only hold that for 1 second. Shake it all out. When you're ready, perhaps even try this without the block. If all of that felt like it went quite well, put your block over to the side, hands shoulder width apart. A good way to test that this is definitely shoulder width apart is to place your forearms on the floor. If you can grab both elbows, this means it's completely shoulder width apart, and that's perfect. And come back up and place your knees as close to your armpits as possible. Bend your elbows and just play with lifting one foot and then the other. Look in front of you, maybe just a little bit ahead of your hands. Not too far ahead, and don't look behind. This is the best way to get your balance. Once again, put your knees up into your shoulders. Maybe try lifting both feet this time, one at a time. Just breathe. Make sure you can still breathe while you do this. Lift your feet, perhaps even just try and lift your feet a bit closer to your bum. Then come back down. Have another little breather. If your hands are a bit sore, just shake them out again. Now when you're ready, just maybe have one more little play before we leave it there. But you guys are welcome to play with this as much as you want. Again, just remember hands shoulder width apart, fingers must be apart as well. Lift your feet up and squeeze them up towards your buttocks. Look forward as well on your mat. Just hold, remember to breathe. When you're ready, come back down. I hope this has helped you guys today. Until next time, namaste.